And today what we're going to do is a little almond, little olive and almond. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today what we're going to do is a little fried olive and almond appetizer that Jerry and I had back in, I think it was 2007 in Napa, and it was at this darling little restaurant, and I, for the life of me, cannot remember the name of it. So if this rings a bell for anybody, please leave that name of that restaurant below in the comments because I would love to go back there. In a small to medium pot, heat 2 inches of fresh canola oil to 450 degrees. If you don't have a Breville control freak, you can use a thermometer like this. Take 1 cup of MARCONA rosemary almonds and toast them in a dry skillet and set them aside. Stuff the green olives with pesto, then drop them into an egg white and then roll them into cornmeal, giving them a nice covering. In several small batches, fry the olives for 1 to 2 minutes or until they start to turn golden brown. With a little shake, remove the excess oil on a paper towel. Last but not least, go ahead and mix your almonds and your olives together. Oh, the rosemary smells so good. And these little olives have got such a nice little crunch because of the cornmeal, and they're so tasty. Very herby with the pesto inside. I love these little guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me here today at Lakeside Table. Remember, if you'd like to print this recipe out, just head on over to my blog, lakesidetable.com, and I've got a link down below for that too. Thanks again, guys, and have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.